In this video, I am going to be reviewing this new RGB Bluetooth speaker, and it's really cool because you can use it as a soundbar for your TV, or you can split it up and you can use it as a Bluetooth speaker like this. So let's go ahead and open it up. And this is from Jeecoo, hopefully I said that name right, and this model is the M20. So I got one of the speakers and both of the speakers. So the packaging is very minimalistic, but I always like that. And of course, the instruction manual, which you should always look at before you throw it away. Don't just toss it. Look at it. There might be a feature in here that you don't know about. Okay, that was a very quick unboxing. All right, there we go. So it's already connected with one wire. It looks like this is a regular USB wire. So let's go ahead and get this out. Okay. There we go. All right, now the other one. They're pretty hollow. They don't have that premium feel to it, but they look pretty cool. And I'm sure they're gonna look better when I plug it up. So let's go ahead and do that. But this is what I want to show, that you can connect them together. So I can already see right here, this is how you connect them. On the bottom, you can see the little lock in place. You just slide it right in. And that's tight. Okay, I did it. Okay, it's in. So there you go, now I got a soundbar. So this will go nicely underneath my TV or your monitor. And if you want to use the speakers with your PC or your smartphone, you just slide it out like that. And then you got the traditional like tower speakers. A small sound test of the M20 speakers, and I think it sounds pretty good, especially considering that it costs around $30 on Amazon. So when I review a product like this that's more on the budget side, I always balance out the price versus the performance. And in this case, the speakers performed really well. When I was gaming, I was able to hear all the details, and I could feel that surround sound effect, and it had a nice bass to it. But most importantly, I like the transforming aspect of the speakers. I like that I can split it, I can use it as a soundbar, or I can use it as normal speakers. And I can connect the speakers with Bluetooth. All I gotta do is press the button down for a few seconds. You'll hear it'll say Bluetooth mode. And then from there, you can pair it to pretty much any device. If there was one thing I could improve with the speaker, I wish that you could hide the wire. The USB cable is built into the speakers, and you can't remove it. It's not really a big issue, it's just something that I think is annoying. Also, as I mentioned before, the design is a little bit hollow and plasticky, but that kind of comes with the price. $30, it's not bad. So that is it for this review on the M20 gaming speakers. You can find a link to this product in the video description below and in the comments. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button because I got more tech videos coming soon.